Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you this vehicle, the Grand Empire from Morelo. I think it might be the largest motorhome at this event in Stuttgart here. This thing is going to cost 867,230. It's 12 meters long. Mercedes Actros 2553L base. Gross vehicle weight is 26 tons, of which you'll have a payload, well, lots and lots, so there's no problem there on the payload. These things that Actros is built to be a lorry and carry heavy things around with it. So now this has a design of which I've never seen before. Got this here. That seems a bit unusual to me. Indeed, it seems so unusual, I can't think why it's here. Got mirrors as cameras, or cameras as mirrors, I should say. Bar layout down here. I'm now standing under the bed, so I'm going to have to do this rather quickly. I can't because of the fact there's people coming in and out, so we don't really have a huge amount of time as I usually do. This here, the chairs are absolutely stunning. Mind you, for this one you'd expect them to be stunning, as I believe these things here also have some massage function built into them. Slide outs are that's what that's doing there. Slide outs are possible as well, and so that is why that comes out. All of this will push back over there to give you more available space down here. There you've got your you turn your lights on and what have you from up there. A bit of elegant decoration. Let's go now to the very back. And now, why is this at the height? It's because there's a garage below. If you've got a garage, then there's technical reasons why the bedroom has to be lower, so you can't stand upright within the bedroom. Lots of storage in here, as you'd expect. You've got comes with some booze in there, wardrobes at the front, at the back, lots and lots of things there. Here we have the dressing area with a fan up there, a shower with using real glass, porcelain toilet, heating there, and another wardrobe over here. The dressing area can be closed through a door here, and two doors at this side. It comes with an oven here, and there's a dishwasher down here, and kitchen, 2 burners, storage under it, sink there, there's another sink over there, daft coffee thing which makes horrendous coffee, and you can see the way the windows are. Having said that, this sort of window is actually used in all motorhomes, irrespective of the price. There's a bed up over there as well, presumably that doesn't affect the slide out when it comes down, so it's a sleep 4. Here we've got, believe it or not, the fridge, and there's the oven, more storage under it, and here is the freezer. Okay, so I've done this very, very quickly. I've done videos from the factory, and you can see more there. I'd like to actually show more, but in view of the fact there are other people wanting to come in here, I'm having to be somewhat quick. I hope you'll understand. I'm doing my best to show you as many as possible. Anyway, let's now make our way out. Note as you come in through here, there are storage, put your shoes in. The carpet, you could leave it down, or if you do that though, you'll have difficulty accessing the compartments in the double floor. So you can of course access them from outside. Heating system probably means that you don't really need access to the sorry, you don't need the carpet down there all the time. Let's walk around this thing if I can. And okay, so take it down. I can show you how the car goes in. I can't show how it goes in, but I can show you it where it goes. And there's the car. That it comes with. So it sort of gets pulled in slowly. Thing is this, I mean, problem with a vehicle this size, you do need a second vehicle to because you can't park it anywhere. I remember when in the United States I saw a motorhome pulling a car, and I thought it was a bit of a joke. I thought it sort of beat the objective. When I was there, I really hadn't much experience of motorhomes. I hadn't started yet living in a camper van, even though I had dreams of doing so. Anyway, good. There you have it. A very quick overview of, I think, the most expensive motorhome at this event, but it needs to be stated that these things are built to order, so the price just doesn't mean anything at all. But from me in Stuttgart, thanks for watching, and bye for now.